Graduation is a time to celebrate your achievements as a student. It is an opportunity for you to enjoy the fruit of your perseverance in completing your elementary education. Truly, graduation marks the beginning of a journey to infinite possibilities and vast opportunities for each young graduate. As you come to the threshold of maturity, always remember the old cliche that the journey towards greatness begins with a single step. Amidst the restrictions brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, Lamitan Central Elementary School takes the steps to celebrate with you in this academic milestone of your children. Welcome to the closing exercises of Lamitan Central Elementary School, a virtual ceremony. My courtesy to the different personalities who are with us today virtually, to our dynamic and very supportive schools division superintendent, Madam Myra Borja Mancabong Sese, to our active principal in charge of the district, Mr. Rustico A. Entero, to our dedicated school principal, Mr. Jerry R. Vesagas, our honored guests, PTA officials, grade chairpersons, the highly competent teaching staff, proud and loving parents, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant and joyous viewing to all. And so, in this momentous choice, let us be one to cuddle as we witness the processional. The teaching staff of Lamitan Central Elementary School, headed by the active principal, Sir Jerry R. Vesagas, kinder teachers under the baton of Mrs. Arlene Redonia, grade 1 teachers headed by Mrs. Dida Humana, grade 2 teachers under the chairmanship of Mrs. Kamsina Yuangi, grade 3 teachers under the baton of Mrs. Marian Maulod, grade 4 teachers under the umbrella of Mrs. Rosana Flores, grade 5 teachers headed by the chairman, Mrs. Melanie Bustillo, and the grade 6 teachers under the baton of Mrs. Anabelia E. Cabarce, grade 6 Virgo class, advisor, Mrs. Esther C. Husai, grade 6 Taurus class, advisor, Mrs. Susan Diegonia, grade 6 Aries advisor, Mr. Rudy A. Marani, grade 6 Libra, advisor, Mrs. Anabelia E. Cabarce, grade 6 Gemini, Mrs. Jessica J. Bacalso, advisor, grade 6 Capricorn, Mrs. Manzil C. Vesagas, advisor, grade 6 Pisces, advisor, Mrs. Marisa C. Albani, grade 6 Aquarius, Haja Morada A. Rizal, advisor, grade 6 Leo, Mr. Rolando G. Cabarce, advisor, grade 6 Cancer, Ms. Shelo Arabad, advisor. To begin with, may we all put ourselves in the spirit of patriotism. The Philippine National Anthem.
Sa
Now, the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao.
Simula noon hanggang ngayon, isa ang naging layon. Magkaisa at magunlad, kalitingan ay marugtong. Tumayo tayo mula sa hamon ng nakaraan, niyapos ang panganib na umalang. Pinangako sa puso at paniniwala, ang ginhawa para sa kabataan. Bangsamoro ay tagumpay, bunga ng pawis, sugo at buhay. Kapayapaan, katarungan ay ating ng nakamtan. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, pagpalain Bangsamoro. Bangsamoro, Bangsamoro, lagi kang mamahalin. Walang pipigil sa damdamin, mga pangako'y tutuparin. Habang buhay kami sa'yo'y magbabantay, mananatili sa puso't isipan. Ang kahapong humimlay na nagbuwis ng buhay, nasa piling na ng may kapal. Bangsamoro ay tagumpay, bunga ng pawis, sugo at buhay. Kapayapaan, katarungan ay ating ng nakamtan. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, pagpalain Bangsamoro.
To lead the doxology entitled We Are One by Thelma Saringan Falcatan.
your flag, pride and joy of your country, a symbol of purity, bravery, and freedom, to whom your heroes lived, fought, and died for.
It is for these reasons that we will strive to hold you aloft, that aggressors will never trample upon you and upon our land, our dreams, our hopes, and aspirations. We will fight for you, so that we and our children can always gaze at you, as you proudly wave in the free breeze of our country, the Philippines.
City Camila Athea A. Dobel, with high honors, will now give the welcome address.
Graduation Day is one of the most exciting events on every student's journey. However, because of this current breakthrough caused by COVID-19 pandemic, things didn't go as what we are expecting. Nevertheless, such feel of excitement comes into reality today, as we witness the virtual graduation rites of Lamitan Central Elementary School. Before anything else, allow me to thank God up above, because without Him, none of this will be possible. I'd like to thank also our school's division, superintendent, the epitome, empowered woman, motherly, and a great leader, Madam Myra Borja Mancabo, Sese, our dynamic and task-ended supervisor, Mr. Rustico A. Entero, the ever-active and energetic principal, Mr. Jerry R. Vesagas, the undying support of our dearest teachers, advisors, the wonderful and fabulous fellow graduating class. A pleasant day to you all amidst this crisis. A fresh new batch alumni to be sent off to the different high schools to embark the next chapter of our lives. Some of us may find their best experiences in Lamitan Central Elementary School, as we have slowly grown into better individuals, more learned, more knowledgeable, more mentally and emotionally developed, and spiritually equipped with the guidance and painstaking teachings of our teachers. So in these moments of celebration, where achievements are recognized and honors given to whom it is due, on behalf of graduating batch of 2021, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to another milestone of Lamitan Central Elementary School, the virtual graduation ceremony. Congratulations and good luck to us. Let us all stay safe and healthy.
The presentation of the candidates for graduation, school year 2020 to 2021, Mr. Jerry R. Vesagas.
The Lamitan City Schools Division Superintendent, Hadja Myra Borja Mancabo. Ma'am, I have the honor to present to you the 356 Grade 6 candidates for graduation of Lamitan Central Elementary School for the school year 2020-2021, of which 169 are boys and 187 are girls. I hereby certify that these candidates satisfactorily completed all the requirements as prescribed by the Ministry of Basic and Higher Technical Education under the K-12 curriculum. Ma'am, these candidates are now ready for graduation.
For the acceptance of this school year's candidates for graduation, Madam Myra Borja Mancabong Sese, Lamitan City Schools Division Superintendent.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me as your school's division superintendent of Lamitan City, and with the presentation and certification by the class advisor, principal, that this graduating class have satisfactorily completed the education curriculum as prescribed by the Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education, I hereby accept and confirm you as graduates. Congratulations and mabuhay!
A certificate of graduation is a tangible evidence of being a graduate in a certain level of education. This is now the fruit of each pupil's endeavor. Allow me to read the citation. Republic of the Philippines, Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Division of Lamitan City, District of Lamitan East, Lamitan Central Elementary School. This certifies that has satisfactorily completed the requirements for the elementary curriculum as prescribed by the Ministry of Basic, Higher and Technical Education and is therefore awarded this certificate. Signed at Lamitan City, Basilan, Philippines on 16th day of July 2021. Signed, Jerry R. Vesagas, Principal. Myra Borja Mangkabung Sese, Schools Division Superintendent.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the graduates of Lamitan Central Elementary School, school year 2020 to 2021.
Abbas Hasim C. Abdalil Adsmil P. Abdurrahman Alfawads A. Abehero Jasper C. Ahlam Nor Ashri S. Abubakar Khalid A. Adam Ismail A. Adam Obama. Adarun Abdulaziz A. Adjijil Adriel C. Ahlam Nor Asri S. Ahmad Jan Bashri A. Ahmad Rasif Al-Khalid A. Ajad Muhammad B. Ajit Abdurafi A. Alam Ashraf E. Alamin Husham M. Alamia Nuraitan I. With honors. Alcantara Mark Acer E. Aldam Abdul Aziz bin Ben J. Ali Nakib S. Ali Rashid R. Alonso Marvin L. Alpin Michal M. Alumbre John Wesley. Amalul Rads Amir A. Aman Al-Hudsri S. With honors. Ambihal Raymond R. Ambula Yusri A. Amali Amar H. Amomompong Noah James L. Andaing Abdullah A. Andayaw Rakan A. Andayaw Ryan A. Andres Rovi A. Antonio Absar B. Arabain Rabsar J. Arbon Jansel Aaron M. Arbon Jared Asher M. Arcabado Valentino H. Asani Nadsri A. Asmala Aljasim N. Atang Wimar M. Bayrullah Usair J. Balamo Abdulwadud H. Barahim Saidar S. Benjamin Haizin M. Bernos Joshua P. Birong Almuids A. Kahalne Jericho Dave A. Kalimag Kobe Garnett P. Campbell Alrauf A. Candido Angelo H. Carino Cedric C. Carlos Toby Jaynard E. Castillo Anthony A. Castillon Ronibil M. Kayaon Dave Judiel V. Cervantes Kadzmir T. Clemente Darius Clemens R. Condas John Harvey Troy T. Corvera Giancarlo P. With honors. Cuevas Benhar K. Cuevas Wayne A. Dakatan Almashir P. De Guzman Elvin H. De Los Santos Angelo C. Diaz Khalil L. Di Maporo Ashrif H. Di Tanongon Fahad A. Dompol Hadi A. Dumdum Benito IV P. Empo Kael Karif M. Endino John Mark I. Feliciano Julius Dr. Fidel Ira J. Fortich Rancel DS. Gadong Abuair Gulion Aaron C. Hasim Al-Shadri M. Hasim Muhammad Jan R. Hassan Julpati S. Haiko Kurt Constantine L. Hilya Derek B. Idris Abubakar S. Idris Amudi S. Inso John Kenneth P. Isa Al-Natsri C. Jakilan Yusri S. Jalalun Suban L. Jalani Van Ryan H. Jalil Wajir U. Jama Al-Mahir C. Jamil Alawi N. Jovel Nawaps S. Kadil Benhar A. Kahal Jazir A. Kasaran Al-Walid J. Kudarat Habir N. Lanuot Irfan A. Lasal Arham Sads P. Makala Habib P. Makoto Cruz Alvin Jan A. Magbanwa Mat Javen. Magno Norhambre P. Majaran Jailani M. Majaran Madsnur P. Managit Carl Kevin C. Manalo Kevin I. Manuel JCC. Marani Samir J. Martalia Almadi H. Muhammad Aldanier J. Muhammad Benwajid S. Muarif Al-Yasid A. Muharram Arsen A. Mu'min Al-Qaidar S. Musa Al-Fadsri B. Mustafa Radsman S. Mutarin Ismail M. Naim Al-Nitsmar A. Narvaez Ben Cedric G. Nava Herald James T. Nur Ahmad Erwan M. Omar Al-Saud A. Oyales Cholo S. Pael Mariano J. Ralph F. Palmares Dins Dr. Pangamdas Nashir H. Paural Roel Jr. T. Paredes Jonathan A. Cuello Aaron Joseph B. Rabi Nino Rafael B. Reyes Lem N. Sabirul Irsam A. Sablin Saldimor D. G. Sabtal Nurjan Lajid S. Sabtali Najer Sham B. Sadalul Emad J. Sadaman Rashdi R. Sagdi Josejan A. Sahi Marwan B. Salahuddin Alfaris P. Salim Wads A. Salim Muhanat T. Sambas Alnawaf J. Sanchez Jevan T. Sarapuddin Benjomar S. Sawarin Kasir M. Saitas Jantaib R. Sergio Al-Haider N. Sohor RJC. Solis Nick Florence U. Sulaiman Al-Wadi S. Sulaiman Usair A. Taha Al-Wasan S. Tanjilani Abdul Basit A. Taupan Amir A. Tukulan Al-Said A. Tura Haris A. Ulang Usman C. Umbak John Mark. Usman Badar J. Usman Jidan A. Usman Kernex B. Uto Hairi B. Uyag Al-Sharif A. Velo Kyle R. Wahab Ratswal F. Aballe Ayana Ayesa R. Abalos Mina L. Abbas Shaika I. Abbas Sherhaina B. Abbas Siti Khaira J. with honors. Abdul Haq Misra K. Abdul Qadir Jana J. Abdullah Nur Aisa A. Abdul Malik Jarpia A. Abdul Rahman Hanan A. Adjilul Abilin S. Agang Samantha Jesril. Agwabiba Sherlyn Evolet M. Ahay Nurfaida H. Ahmad Rahma A. Ahmin Jumana S. Aison Iris Joyce R. Alam Siti Maika O. Aldam Senaida J. Ali Adia Vernice G. Ali Alshaina Kaira Lay I. Ali Hana P. Ali Raida A. Ali Shahara S. Alki Shika A. Aman Julie Farniza M. Aman Rabia A. Ambaro Jima A. Ambula Amira U. Ambula Farhana C. Amil Nursalin H. Aminuddin Shaina K. Ani Shairalin L. Aran Rayana S. Arastam Nuraina F. Arif Salwa M. Aripin Liana S. Asali Lara Jane J. Asigal Bilkis A. Atakal Norhaliza J. Ausali Norhiba H. with honors. Ausalin Siti Aisha C. Balamo Amina H. Balignot Ella S. Kalyao Jessa P. Canary Ailey A. with honors. Kaputolan Trixie May D.S. Katantan Dennis Rika May. Cuevas Rania A. Dapiton May Ann C. Dayoan Angel E. Beleon Angel Crisel I. Belenya Leia Francine L. with honors. Diman Arcel C. Dobel City Camila Atea A. with high honors. Doloricon Jalen K. B. Entec Trisha Rotana A. Falcasantos Princess Carla R. Falcatan Jillian Fame M. Faustino Diana T. Faustino Julia J. Felipe Hasmin B. Fernando Alisa May B. Fernando Shamaika H. Gadong Fatima A. Gani Jana A. Gani Shaima J. Gafur Alfatra T. Go Princess Charis S. Gonzales Nicorite C. Guerrero Jillian B. Bunong Kiam H. Habibon Arshaina H. Hakim Hana A. Hamin Madzla S. Hamsalun Nurjana S. Hasan Nur Rashida A. Hasim Naomi A. Hasim Siti Raisa A. Hasim Widsnat T. Ibrahim Rima M. Ismuho Samira P. Jainul Hadija M. Jakilan Sharfina Rain C. Jakilan Siti Ryan M. Jalani Mitch Kiara U. Jalani Siti Farisha J. Jalil Arshina W. Jalil Siti Norfia A. Jama Muslima L. Jamil Jamaica P. Jamli Vivian H. Jovel Saina B. Jimlani Rizalin P. Julian Vanity P. Kalipa Shahara A. Kalipa Shina A. Lamla Umo Nurgaima A. Latif Farha J. Lause Francel May M. With honors. Limaya Misra Sherhana T. Lintao Shina M. Lipogo Asma J. Maakul Rasmida A. Malagit Novilin L. Malangkis Salma B. Maludin Jenin Dimple J. With honors. Mamangkaw Kautar S. Managit Angel May S. With honors. Mande Mawa S. Manolong Rachel F. Manuel Anais J. Manuel Jaya Jane C. Martinez Syra Quintel A. With honors. Masang Gina U. Masuhol Madzra D. Masuhud Meiva Fatima T. Matos Desemay O. Mauli Haina Y. Maulod Marcela Rian F. Mercado Princess Scarlett Dejin J. Montong Riza B. Morales Irish Francesca P. Mubin Nurhaina E. Mutalib Hana A. Munti Karisma C. Musar Rihanna N. Nasser Perwina M. Navarro Normaina M. Nuruddin Jihada K. Autumn Janelle Leymari A. With high honors. Pabala Francesca T. Pael Mariano Kenny F. Falconit Angelica B. Prudente Kylie Peach M. Pulalon Kyla J. Rabanes Mary Jane F. Ramos Genevieve A. Ravanes Princess Jaylene M. Rebollos Mayan T. Resurrection Amor L. Resurrection Sian L. Resurrection Ronicol Hani E. Sabtal Nishrin A. Sabtal Rim S. Sahasal Hersima A. Sailabi Dada A. Cyrek Casey Kate I. Salahuddin Farhana Faith S. Salahuddin Jahana A. Salahuddin Jaina Rose A. Sally Gada A. Sally Maisa K. Salimin Dalima S. Salinas Jenny V. Salvador Nurhana N. Samson Madel G. Sa PE, Jamsidra S. Sa Romines, Melanie M. Shinga Tricia A. Sohor Thea Samhia D. Solacito Jessamay O. With honors. Solis Ray Marie Joy O. Soriano Ria Alexa M. Swaban Arnisa A. Suhud Basira H. Sulaiman Afra A. Sumanduran Genevieve U. Tahalain Basma M. Tahamalin Sulaika Del Alia A. With honors. Taug Nurkaisa M. Taupan Rima A. Tobo Mahdia S. Toribio Joanna Brenda F. Toto Arnaisa H. Tulawi Hasna K. Tura Clarissa A. Usani Chloe Sarah P. Vailoses Jester Kylay M. Ventura Sherwina A. Verba Jaya Antoinette A. Vesagas Reina Hazel C. Villamor Amor Marian F. Villegas Jillian M. Yakub Hajara K. Yahya Shaina S. Savate Phoebe Elaine.
Ladies and gentlemen, the message of the Lamitan City Schools Division Superintendent, Madam Myra Borja Mangkabung Sese.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wal barakat. With pride and honor, my profound congratulations to the MBHTE Lamitan City Division graduates and completers in all levels for surviving the most difficult moment of our learning years brought by the pandemic. As Filipino and Bangsamoro, we remain steadfast and resilient in all the destitutions and uphill battles that come along our way in our quest for quality education. A lot have been changed, particularly in the mode of learning, where everyone in all sectors were caught flat-footed by the pandemic. This school year was really a test of fire to our teachers, learners, parents, and partners in the academe due to the unpredictable circumstances brought by COVID-19 virus. Hence, this year's theme for the end of the school year writes, Kalidad ng edukasyon lalong patatagin sa gitna ng pandemya, or strengthening the quality of education amidst COVID-19 pandemic is very relevant and timely that even under unexpected circumstances, quality of education should not be compromised. To the parents of our learners, thank you for your unconditional love and support to our children. This school year, we have fortified our relationship as partners in the education amidst the storms. To our school heads and teachers, our hats off for painstakingly exerting effort in developing the adaptive learning materials and for your unusual creativity in realizing the blended learning for our learners to easily adapt to the new modality of erudition. It was challenging but feasible. Our gratefulness also to the city local government headed by our very compassionate Mayor Rose U. Furigay and Vice Mayor Roderick H. Furigay with the member of the City Council for anchoring our education agenda through the local school board. Our equal recognition to Honorable Jim Hataman Saliman for his unbended support to MBHTE Lamitan City Division, particularly helping us uplift our education circumstances. Our gratitude and profound thanks to our private sector partners in making our division part of your programs in education. In this division, under the headship of our Minister Mohager Iqbal, we assured that no child is left behind, and with the passage of the Education Code of BARM, we have this assurance that quality education in our region, particularly in this division, is attainable. Again, my congratulations and abante, graduates of Lamitan.
Ay sarap ulitain ang mga alaalang lumipas. Tila ba kailan lang nang tayo'y mangarap. Sa paglipas ng oras, hindi mo tayo ng panahon. Matatag nating nakayanan mga pagsubok na hamon. Paalam na aking kaibigan, guro at kamag-aral. Dala ko ang alaala na sa ating nagdaan. Ngunit nating mga pangarap, dalangin ko sa may kapal. Naway sa panibagong bukas, tayo ay magtagumpay. Ito na ang takdang oras na tayo ay magwawalay upang lang lapayin ang landas patungo sa ating bukas. Nasakit man sa damdamin, iwanan ang nakaraan. Ngunit dahil sa munting pangarap, kailangan nating maglakbay. Paalam na aking kaibigan, guro at kamag-aral. Dala ko ang alaala na sa ating nagdaan. Ngunit nating mga pangarap, dalangin ko sa may kapal. Naway sa panibagong bukas, tayo ay magpaalam na aking kaibigan, guro at kamag-aral. Dala ko ang alaala na sa ating nagdaan. Ngunit nating mga pangarap, dalangin ko sa may kapal. Naway sa panibagong bukas, tayo ay magtagumpay.
Miss Shelo R. Abad, a grade 6 teacher, will now introduce our guest speaker.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am so pleased to be with you today and to have the chance to introduce our guest speaker. Employed as elementary grade teacher of Basilan City Schools Division on August 28, 1973. Promoted to Master Teacher 1 of Basilan Schools Division on September 1, 1981. 8 years later, she was promoted to Master Teacher 2 on August 27, 1989, Vice Dr. Mercedes P. Torres. On August 20, 2005, she was designated Division English and Training Coordinator by the Superintendent Omar B. Aranan, Doctor of Education. On June 2, 2006, she was advised to report to Jose Rizal Elementary School as principal after the mandatory retirement of Mrs. Edita I. Molina by the OIC Superintendent Fatima D. Abubakar. But then, she was recalled on July 13, 2006 and reassigned as Equals Coordinator by Superintendent Hadja Norhaya M. Abdurrahim. Because of her desires to shift to administrator's track, she attended the Basic Schools Management course for master teachers, drifting to administrator's track on August 18 to 27, 1998 at Davao City, sponsored by the National Educators Academy of the Philippines. Then on August 21, 2007, she was promoted to ESP2 by virtue of Rex Order Number 82, Series of 1997, through the recommendation of Superintendent Dr. Abdusali S. Asaali Al-Hads, and was assigned as Principal in Charge of Lamitan East and was later promoted to Public School Division Superintendent. As for her remaining trainings attended, International 2, National 3, Regional 15, Division 16, District 1. Retired on February 23, 2014. Finally, she is also a fascinating person and we're all in for a treat today. Without further ado, please join me in welcoming Mrs. Teresita T. Rodico.
My warmest congratulations to the parents, teaching staff, the school principal, and most of all, to the successful graduates of school year 2020-2021 of Lamitan Central Elementary School. You have finished the first stage of free and formal education concerned with providing basic education corresponding 7 grades. In spite of this COVID-19 pandemic, it's an outbreak of a disease that we are facing. The teachers continue to do their best to give you the lessons that you are supposed to learn through the different modalities of teaching. Graduates, as you leave the school, stand proud of your achievement and be ready for a more challenging life ahead of you. Always remember the word success. S, see your goal. U, understand that there are problems you encounter. C, clear your mind of doubts. C, create positive mental picture. E, embrace the challenges. S, stay on track. And S, show the world that you can do it. Work hard for your ambitions. To attain them, you have to do your best. Believe in yourself and you will prevail. Expect the very best and you will not fail. Again, my heartfelt congratulations and God bless you all.
At this juncture, we are to remunerate what our pupils have successfully won of ourselves in tests of their mentors. We are proud to recognize our young pupils' academic distinctions to school tasking as we shall have the reading of academic awards.
Academic Excellence Awardees, Siti Kyra J. Abbas with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Samuel J. Abbas. Nur Ethan D. Alamia with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Nur Akdal F. Alamia. Al-Hudzri S. Aman with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Alvin T. Aman. Nurhiba H. Ausalin with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Bert P. Ausalin. Ailey A. Canary with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Rolly A. Canary. Gian Carlo P. Corvera with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Alan John E. Corvera. Leia Francine L. Delenya with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Louis M. Delenya. Siti Camila Athea A. Dobel with high honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Hatab A. Dobel. Franzel May M. Lause, with honors. Proud parents, Mr. Rufinito Francisco F. Lause and Mrs. Pilarizel Manaay Lause. Janine Dimple J. Maluddin, with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Radzmin P. Maluddin. Angel May S. Managit, with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Crisanto C. Managit. Syra Quintel A. Martinez, with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Cyrus P. Martinez. Anel Leymari A. Otum, with high honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Nelson H. Otum. Jesame O. Solacito, with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jovencio S. Solacito. Sulaika del Alia A. Tahamalin, with honors. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Sulaiman T. Tahamalin. Ladies and gentlemen, on screen, Janelle Leymari A. Otum, the batch with high honors, as she will share to us her words of thanks, triumph, and victory.
Good morning to each and everyone. Today is the long-awaited part of my 7 years journey in Lamitan Central Elementary School. As I face the final chapter of my elementary life, I have experienced the disappointment and discouragement to myself because of this COVID-19 pandemic. I couldn't do well in my studies and the biggest problem was laziness. But despite of all those challenges, I wholeheartedly appreciate myself as well as the quality of education provided by the school for us, the future and innovators of this country. I thank my teachers for their patience as how they show their passions on teaching to the makukulit at maiingay na bata gaya namin. Nevertheless, what I'm real thankful for the teachers in front of me listening this virtual message in their efforts for making those modules to provide the sufficient learnings that we need as young learners. Ma'am and Sir, magsukulakatan. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. I will not be here in front of you bringing the fruit of my efforts without the unconditional support and love of my family, most especially to my parents, whom are my greatest inspiration in life. To my supportive mother and hardworking father, thank you for lifting me up and for teaching me the value of education and good morals, which I will really bring throughout my life. To everyone who has been a part of my life and journey, I wholeheartedly express gratitude. Thank you so much for believing me. I will like to end this speech with a quote of Aristotle: "The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet." So, to my fellow graduates, let's not stop learning, prioritize our education to reach the sweetness of our success. Once again, good morning and thank you so much.
Syra Quintel Martinez, with honors, will now lead the Pledge of Loyalty.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of Lamitan Central Elementary School, Class 2021.
The graduates of Lamitan Central Elementary School, Class 2021.
Do solemnly pledge.
Do solemnly pledge.
To do our best.
To do our best.
In the great task of nation building.
In the great task of nation building.
To strive harder.
To strive harder.
To succeed honorably.
To succeed honorably.
By using all of our God-given talents.
By using all of our God-given talents.
In the most fruitful.
In the most fruitful.
And productive manner.
And productive manner.
Not only for ourselves.
Not only for ourselves.
Our homes.
Our homes.
Our our families, but also for the welfare and upliftment of every Filipino citizen. So help me God.
This time, let us all listen to the farewell song of the graduates, entitled Thanks to You.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what is real and what is now. What I've got is more than I ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hope for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you. Teaching me how to live, putting things in perspective, showing me how to feel and how to take. Don't mistake, we were put here together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am aching with the love I feel inside. Thanks to you. Thanks to
Al-Hudzri S. Aman, with honors for his acknowledgement.
The school principal, faculty members, school governing council, PTA, and graduates would like to express their sincerest gratitude to the parents, to the alumni, and to the guests who have shared their most precious time with us on this very memorable occasion. And to those who in one way or another have given their much needed support in making the closing exercises a success and significant event.
This concludes the virtual ceremony of Lamitan Central Elementary School. Thank you everyone for watching. God bless and stay safe.